Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry I haven't been here on YouTube for almost this whole month. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram or even Twitter, you guys know that something did happen in my life. Well, I didn't really mention what it was, but something did happen for me to not film. I was going to film videos, but I just wasn't feeling myself at all. I was still worried and still am a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. But it's time for me to get back and doing what I love. So yeah, so I will be mentioning on a separate video what happened, like a little mini story, I guess you could say. So I just wanted to talk to you guys and show you guys this video. Like I mentioned, my previous video was about my how I did my nails. Well, pretty much it was a review, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see me do my nails, and a lot people didn't ask me, but in separate medias, like I do have a comment on that video and also on Instagram and Snapchat, they asked me to show you guys, and here I am. I did my nails. And I mean, if like spring is coming up and I haven't done this color at all, I wanted to see and try it, and there's my spot like right there. So yeah, in this video I'm just pretty much showing you guys what is he? He's just staring at me. So in this video I'm just showing you guys exactly how I do my nails. I'm not showing you like me painting my nails, but I am showing you every step that I do to get these nails. So let me just mention you guys the color I'm actually wearing. It's by Sally Hansen. It's Hard as Nails Polish, and it is in the name Hard Hat 600. So I don't know if you guys could see it like right there. So yeah, this is the color. It's kind of like a shimmery color. I like it. It's new for me. So yeah, I pretty much do like it. And I guess that's pretty much it for this video. And I'll just show you guys how I do them on the next clip. Also, every product I will have them listed down below with the link so you guys could get it if you feel like you want to try it. So I'll link it down below. So yeah, I think that's about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do another one for the next one, just let me know, and just stay tuned for my next video. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one.